There are nearly 120 million people like this man in Berlin with mild to severe disabilities in Europe. Every day, they are confronted by a society which is often poorly adapted to their needs.
How the society adapts itself or makes itself accessible in order to ensure that the person can fully live on equal opportunities with others.
In a draft report, members of the European Parliament want to support people with disabilities, especially in the field of employment. Unemployment affects people with disabilities twice as much as those without.
Deja, dar yra nemažai atvejų, kai neįgalūs žmonės negali lankyti mokyklų, profesinio mokymo įstaigų, nes jos neturi neįgaliesiems tinkamų mokymo programų, neturi parengtų specialistų, galiausiai mokymo įstaigos nėra pritaikytos neįgalių vaikų ir jaunuolių poreikiams.
To allow the disabled to integrate better and to increase their mobility, MEPs want a part of the European structural funds to be earmarked for them.
Il fondo deve essere utilizzato, quando è disponibile, per migliorare i servizi e dare quindi a chi ha disabilità la possibilità di avere meno problemi, ad esempio nell'ambito del lavoro, cioè obbligare gli enti pubblici ad assumere in percentuale persone che hanno problemi, mettere ad esempio delle clausole negli appalti pubblici che favoriscono quelle aziende che danno anche occupazione ai disabili.
A number of countries in the European Union, like France, already put this into practice. 11 European countries have so far refused to ratify the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, something deplored by members of the European Parliament.